The Salvation Army just brought thrift shopping to Roblox with the platform's first ever digital secondhand store. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your tech and gaming hub. The Thrift store that went live on February 19th gives players a chance to browse a digital version of a Salvation Army thrift store. BarkleyOKRP led the creative concept, while The Gang, a game studio that specializes in creating brand worlds on Roblox, developed the virtual space. Now players can dig through the selection of one-of-a-kind avatar pieces available for different prices. Instead of being a standalone game, the store pops up inside Roblox titles like Seaboard City and Daycare Party, putting second-hand shopping right where Gen Z and Gen Alpha already spend their time. Roblox creators even added exclusive items to fill the shelves for collector appeal and a sense of community. For the millions of young players who've never stepped inside a Salvation Army store, this is a chance to experience the fun of thrift finds in a space that already feels like home. If you love scoring a hidden gem at a thrift store, this has the same vibe for your avatar's closet. Even the money from in-game sales funds Salvation Army rehabilitation and support efforts. BarkleyOKRP said, Gen Z doesn't think in terms of storefronts and shopping carts. They discover through play, culture, and exploration. Roblox gave us the opportunity to rethink what a thrift store could be in a digital-first world. Max Proctor, CEO of The Gang, said, "We hope to bring some of the surprise and delight that people get while thrifting in real life to Roblox's huge audience." Personalization is such a core part of the Roblox experience for its huge player base, and that's why bringing a thrift store to the platform sounded like a great idea. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.